Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's Coach Shalynne. I'm so excited to spend time with you. I'm creating this video today for those of you who are right on board as a customer of mine within the group. And so this video is being set up so that you can understand how to make a roller bottle, how to make a spray bottle, how to use your veggie caps, as well as how to use your diffuser. So let's jump right in. So I like to get my roller bottles actually right from doTERRA. If you have not ordered these, you need to put this on your next order. Okay, so this is a 10 millimeter roller bottle. So what we do here is you actually have to take the top off and you pop off the little roller portion. Now, I like to make different types of roller bottles. It just kind of depends on the desired effect. So what I have here is frankincense. So I'm going to put in 10 drops of frankincense, and you just pour them right in. You can see that going in, 10 drops there of frankincense, and then put the top back on that. I also like to mix in peppermint. It's a brand new one, so we'll crack that one open. 10 there. You can see them going right in. This is so nice. 10, put the top right on there. And then there's always different blends that you can actually make. I like to use this blend that I'm putting together, and this is lavender, because it's very calming on one aspect of things. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But then also the lavender is going to help bring, the lavender, brings a sense of calmness. The frankincense is going to help with immunity support, and the peppermint actually brings some alertness. And then what I'm going to do is top it off with fractionated coconut oil, and I'm literally putting it in. Now, I will give you this link to this particular fractionated coconut oil. I'm filling it all the way up to just about that ridge right there. Fractionated coconut oil is a formula that's set up where it does not solidify, like how when you cook with the fractionated coconut oil,